Welcome to my video. In this video, you will learn in clear and practical detail how to transfer files from a computer to a USB drive with confidence and accuracy. This process is one of the most essential computer skills, whether you are saving personal documents, backing up important files, sharing data with others, or moving information between different devices. By the end of this video, you will fully understand how USB drives work, how to prepare them correctly, and how to transfer files safely without risking data loss. We begin by understanding what a USB drive is and why it remains one of the most widely used storage devices in the world. A USB drive, also known as a flash drive or pen drive, is a small portable storage device that connects to a computer through a USB port. It allows you to store, copy, and transport files easily. USB drives are popular because they are lightweight, reusable, and compatible with most computers, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux 6 systems. Before transferring files, it is important to prepare both your computer and your USB drive. First, ensure that your computer is powered on and functioning properly. Locate an available USB port on your computer. These ports are usually found on the sides of laptops or at the front or back of desktop computers. Carefully insert the USB drive into the port. You should feel a gentle connection. You should feel a gentle connection without forcing it. Once inserted, your computer will automatically detect the USB drive within a few seconds. On a Windows computer, a notification may appear confirming that the USB drive is ready to use. You can access it by opening File Explorer and navigating to this PC, where the USB drive will appear as a removable disk. On a Mac computer, the USB drive icon usually appears on the desktop or in the Finder sidebar. This indicates that the drive is properly connected and ready to receive files. Now that the USB drive is recognized, the next step is to locate the files you want to transfer. These files may be documents, photos, videos, music, or software files stored anywhere on your computer. Navigate carefully through your folders to ensure you are selecting the correct files. Take your time during this step, especially if the files are important or irreplaceable. Once you have identified the files, you can begin the transfer process. Click and hold the file and then drag it to the USB drive folder and release it. Alternatively, you can right-click on the file, select the copy option, then open the USB drive and paste the file into it. During the transfer, you may see a progress window showing the speed and remaining time. Large files will take longer to transfer, so patience is important. At this stage, if this video is interesting, take a moment to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook also to stay updated. Turn on notifications so that you will not miss my next video, and engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. As the transfer continues, avoid removing the USB drive or shutting down your computer. Interrupting the process can cause file corruption or data loss. When the transfer is complete, verify that the files are correctly copied by opening them directly from the USB drive. This simple check helps ensure that your data is safe and accessible. Another important step is safely removing the USB drive. On Windows, click the safely remove on Windows, click the safely remove hardware icon in the system tray and select your USB drive. On a Mac, drag the USB drive icon to the trash or click the eject button in Finder. Wait for a confirmation before physically removing the drive. This step protects your files and prevents damage to the USB drive. You may encounter occasional issues such as a USB drive not appearing or files failing to copy. These problems can often be solved by trying a different USB port, restarting the computer, or checking that the USB drive has enough free storage space. Keeping your computer's operating system updated also improves compatibility and performance. By mastering this process, you gain greater control over your digital files. Transferring files to a USB drive is useful for backups, presentations, school assignments, office work, and personal data management. With consistent practice, this task becomes quick, simple, and reliable. In conclusion, learning how to transfer files from a computer to USB drive is a foundational computer skill that saves time and protects your data. By following the correct steps, handling your USB drive carefully, and safely ejecting it after use, you can confidently move your files whenever needed. Finally, before you leave, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook also to stay updated. Turn on notifications so that you will not miss my next video. Also, engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Endeavor to watch my other videos to learn more. Thank you very much for watching. Bye until my next video.